Welcome to ShadowSpark. I hope you are doing amazing today. So tell me one thing. Have you ever felt that strong inner fire inside you? That feeling that says, I want more, I can do more, I deserve better. That feeling is called hunger. Not just hunger for food, but hunger for growth, hunger for success, hunger for change. Today, we will talk about hungerness, the kind of hunger that can completely transform your life. What is hunger in life? Hunger is not only about wanting something, hunger is about needing it with your full heart. It is that powerful desire that pushes you to wake up early, work harder, and stay focused even when nobody is watching. Because honestly, talent is good, but hunger is stronger. A hungry person will learn faster, improve daily, and never stop until they reach their goal. Why hunger is important? Let me tell you something very real. Life is not easy. Sometimes we fail. Sometimes we feel tired. Sometimes we feel like giving up. But hunger is the thing that says, keep going. Hunger gives you discipline. Hunger gives you energy. Hunger gives you courage. And the best part, hunger makes you unstoppable. Because when you are truly hungry for something, you don't wait for motivation. You create it. Hunger voices comfort zone. Most people want success, but they also want comfort. They want results, but they don't want struggle. They want confidence, but they don't want practice. But hunger does not live in comfort. Hunger lives in the challenge. A hungry person does not say, I will do it tomorrow. A hungry person says, I will start now. Because deep inside, they know if they delay, they will lose. Sign you are truly hungry. Let me share some sign of real hunger. You are ready to learn. You are ready to improve. You don't care about excuses. You don't stop after failure. You keep showing up again and again. A hungry person may feel scared, but they still move forward because they understand one truth. Fear is temporary, but regret is permanent. Hunger creates confidence. Confidence is not something you are born with. Confidence is something you build. And hunger builds confidence through action. Even if you start small, even if you speak slowly, even if you make mistakes, if you keep going, your hunger will make you better. And one day you will look back and say, I did it. So today, I want you to ask yourself, what are you hungry for? A better life? A better career? A better version of yourself? Whatever it is, don't let that hunger die. Feed it with hard work. Feed it with discipline. Feed it with consistency. Because hunger is not a weakness. Hunger is your power. And remember this line, when you stay hungry, you stay growing. Thank you so much for watching this video on ShadowSpark. If you liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any new videos. See you in the next one. Until then, stay hungry, stay focused and keep shining.